Look what we have right here.
What's that,
I don't know what the mystery thing is.
honey? It's a brand new mystery thing. I saw this. It says unwrap 8 awesome surprises. We're gonna check it out though, right?
We got this 8. Better be good for a reason.
What is it? Let's see if we can open.
With 8 surprises. Whoa! Whoa!
Mystery pack. Wow. There's a lot of stuff in here for $5. It's kind of interesting to see what it is, hey?
Daddy, I'm gonna open this one.
Alright.
What is sissies?
Alright, let's go. Waiting.
Let's see what we got. Whoa! Look at this car.
Show me what it is.
Whoa!
Oh, it's one of those pole racer things. Like that.
Whoa!
Pretty cool. Alright, which one's
I'm
that?
buying this for 2. That's really loud. Whoa!
Alright, check it out. See what's in there.
What?
Bubbles!
Oh,
Don't open
no.
those, don't open. They're bubbles, for sure.
Let's see what we got inside number 2.
Number 3.
Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles.
Still looking at it.
Whoa.
What's that?
What is it?
Toilet.
Looks like a toilet to me if I've ever
Let's
seen
open it. Let's open it and see. Let's open it and see what's in there.
What do you think it is?
I think it's slime.
What does YouTube think it is? Ask them. Say, what do you guys think it is?
What you guys think it is? What you think it is, Mama?
I have no idea.
Let's check it out. No?
I knew it was slime.
You were right, buddy.
Good old fart.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
It's fart.
At least it's that stuff and not the actual slime stuff. So here we go.
Ugh.
No, here, this too. Watch, this too.
Yeah, squeakers.
Alright, what you got
Oh.
on number 4?
Now we put that back over there.
Check it out.
I knew it
Oh,
was
this
not.
thing is not open. Check it out.
Oh. Whoa, lion!
Number 5?
Number 6. Oh, that one opened. This
Keep
one.
jumping on numbers. This is fun.
4, 5, 5, 5, 5. Ew.
What's that?
Oh, dark. Oh, is it a whistle? No.
Throw in there.
Let Daddy.
Let me see. Let me put-
Let's see what 2, 2, 2.
Oh.
Do you hear that, Fidget?
It's a sun half-working duck call.
I didn't wash my hands off. Guys, don't do it without me. I need to wash my hands off first. These two are now leaking.
So a duck call, that's pretty neat. Why do you like purposely say one number off? These 2 are not open, it's 3. A leap frog. Here, watch. Don't push too hard. Watch this.
Mm.
I think you can match. There's gotta be a trick to it. I'm not sure. You think,
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
oh look, he goes down. Oh, that's pretty good. Hold on.
And over here. Oh, he's gonna touch.
Nice.
Well, I like to try.
Alright,
Okay,
let's
push
try
him
that.
down.
You gotta press that. No.
Alright.
Yep. You gotta make sure that the plastic part is pressed down right here. Here, you see it? Look, I want you to look. You're smart. Look right there. You want to press that down. There you go.
Okay,
Right there. No, not on that end. Where my hand is. Press where my hand is. So you gotta press there.
No, this is hard to watch. Oh! Did he get you?
No.
Alright, is there one more line? Oh, two more lines. That was pretty. These have been pretty fun.
Mm-hmm. Do you like these, Noah?
Do you? It's pretty neat. A lot of different things. Here, here's one. Alright. Fidget spinner.
Puppy used to have one of those. He loved it.
Oh, you spin it. Here, spin it.
You can also do it in your fingers. No, last one.
Last one.
Frisbee!
Little frisbee.
Oh, Lord. Help.